Hi class. This next video lesson will be dealing with introducing you to the notes on the second string. So we won't be mixing the notes on the first and second string yet. So this will only be the second string. So second string open is B, and that's on the third line of the staff. The next note is C, first fret of the second string, and that's in the third space of the staff. And then you have D, third fret of the second string, and that's the fourth line of the staff. So first exercise is just whole notes where you'll be playing on the first beat of every measure. They are 4 beats each. So let's give this a try. Starting on open B, 2, 3, 4 B, 2, 3, 4 C, 2, 3, 4 D, 2, 3, 4 C, 2, 3, 4 B, 2, 3, 4. Now exercise 10 will be playing half notes. So you'll be playing on the first and third beat of every measure. They're 2 beats each. So starting on open B, here we go. 2, 3, 4, open B, 2, and again, 4 to C, 2, and again, 4 to D, 2, and again, 4 to C, 2, and again, 4 to B, 2, 3, 4. Now the next page, we have exercise 11, which is playing quarter notes. The black notes with the stems, they're 1 beat each, so we'll be playing on every beat. Here we go. 2, 3, 4 B, 2, 3, 4 to C, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, 3, 4 to C, 2, 3, 4, open B, 2, 3, 4. And there are 2 more in this chapter with just the second string. Number 12, here we go. 2, 3, 4, open B, C, open B, C to D, C, D to C, open B, C, D, C, and open B. 2, 3, 4, and then 13. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, open B, C, open B, C, D, 2, open B, 4 to C, D, C, open B, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's kind of venture into the next part of this. Now, I want to show you how to read the notes on the second string in alternate positions as well. So again, look at your tablature. You'll see now the numbers are written on the second line from the top. That line is your second string. The 0 means an open string, the 1 is the first fret, and the 3 is the third fret. So I'm going to play this first line, which is in first position. You have the open B string, first fret C, open B, first fret C, third fret D, first fret C, third fret D, first fret C, open B, first fret C, third fret D, first fret C, and open B. Now, when we go to the next exercise, now you're going to play the same notes that I just played in first position on the second string in fourth position on the third string. So you can see now the numbers are written on the third line from the bottom. So remember, this is the 6th string on the bottom, the 5th string, the 4th string, and this line is the 3rd string. So you're going to play the same notes, but you're going to play them in a different place. The 4th fret of the 3rd string is the same as your 2nd string open. The fifth fret of the third string is the same as the first fret of the second string. And the seventh fret of the third string is the same as the third fret of the second string. So again, fourth fret, third string is the same as the second string open, that's B. Fifth fret of the third string is the same as the first fret of the second string, that's C. And the seventh fret of the third string is the same as the third fret of the second string, and that's D. B, C, D. So here we go. Same exercise. 3, 4, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, C, B, C, D, C, B. Or if I want to call the numbers of the frets, here we go. 3, 4, go fourth to fifth, fourth to fifth, seventh to fifth, seventh to fifth, fourth to fifth, seventh to fifth, and the fourth fret of the third string. All right, and finally one more for this. I'm going to play the notes B, C, and D on the fourth string in ninth position. So the ninth fret of the fourth string is the same as your open B. The 10th fret of the fourth string is the same as C. And the 12th fret of the fourth string is the same as your D in the third fret of the second. I know it gets confusing, but after you do it for a while, it really opens things up on the guitar. So here, let me play this. 2, 3, 4, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, C, B, C, D, C, B. Or if I call the numbers of the frets on the fourth string, it's 9, 10, 9, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 9, 10, 12, 10, and the ninth fret, which is the same as your open B. So if you feel up to it, give it a try. You have to remember that when you play, the frets do get smaller as you move up. So in a way, it's good to get used to playing up here as well as down here. Remember, the notes get higher as you go up. And that's about it. If you're a beginner, as I said, you can stay in first position on the second string for these notes. And if you feel like venturing up, then great. Okay, so that's it. And we'll probably, this assignment, the second string will be for the following week, but I just wanted to get you started on it. So that's it for now.